Hi, I'm Iman Tavakoili. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most exciting techniques in Photoshop. A lot of people think you can't create cinematic lighting with just one photo. That's completely wrong. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add lighting to a face, control it, and create cinematic lighting on your portrait. Stay with me until the end of this video because I'm sure this trick will be useful for you. Okay, I've brought my photo in Photoshop. The parts I want, I select either with the lasso tool or with the pen tool. Now I'm using the pen tool. Guys, when you're working and you select your tool like the pen tool and it looks like this, it means the caps lock key on your keyboard is on. I turn off the caps lock and then select the area I want. I am going to slowly give a much more defined shape to the outer edge. I simply right-click the mouse and choose Make Selection. Then I carefully use the brush tool to finish. I increase the contrast of the brush. Now, if you want, you can also adjust the contrast a bit. I'm not going to change the contrast too much. Between 50 and 60 is good. I go to the center section. I increase its feather. Around 15 to 20 is good. Again, I navigate back to the adjustment section and the exposure setting. Then I click on this option. I go to the brightness section. I hold Alt, bring its mask onto the music layer and press yes layer by layer. When it's placed, okay? I press Ctrl+I to invert it so that it's also selected. Since this specific section appears much lighter than the initial part we worked on, I am going to carefully darken this entire area for you as much as you would like until it reaches the perfect shade. For me, this much is enough. I'll go ahead and increase the feather just a little bit more. Let's set this to 23. I'll increase the value of the other one as well. 24, 23 is good. Okay, is it all done now? Yeah, it looks like it. Alright, now I'm going to head over to the bright section and I'll hold down the Alt key. Oh, sorry, I actually need to hold down the Control key. I just click on its mask here. First, I open up a brand new layer, either by selecting the pen tool or by manually cutting it out. Now, if you have a stylus, it's even better. Now, I am going to go ahead and carefully apply a bit of a warm, vibrant, yellowish orange hue to the specific sections where I previously established the highlights. That looks much better now. Try to work right along the line where you have the light, okay? Alright, I have now successfully set its blending mode over to overlay. Next, within the blur filter menu, I am going to select the Gaussian blur option to proceed. Good. Okay. I also made this specific part a bit more yellow. Furthermore, I have also slightly lowered its overall opacity level as well. Okay. See how that works? Alright. I'm going to group all of these elements together now. Take a look at the before and then the after. Okay, that's fine. Just exactly like this right here. So that concludes our lighting tutorial in Photoshop. I really hope you enjoyed the lesson and found it helpful. If you are new to the channel, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you stay updated on all my future creative uploads. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.